Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver and palladium. This is the intraday, and of course we're gonna see what happened with the gold. So basically our target perfectly taken here, 1.618 as expected for an expanding flat, and we are looking for something pushing toward the upside because we have finished a very likely wave 4 here as a 1 2 1 2 3, and then wave 4 and wave 5 to continue, of course, toward the upside. So I would say this trend here, exactly what I'm talking about, 4 and a 5 here, to continue for higher. Otherwise, we were looking for continuation for lower here from that price, but this did not happen, and we didn't took our invalidation, which is a signal of strength again for the gold. As you can see, a 1 2 3 here. Of course, internally this can be considered 5 waves up and 3 down, and we're pushing toward the upside. If you want to go inside it to explain it as a signal of strength here, where we are looking for a potential 5 waves here. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Of course, it's a very shallow wave too, but it's fine. 1 2 3 4 and a 5, 3 waves down and taking the high, breaking and pushing for higher. Now, what is beautiful, of course, is that this worked perfectly for the gold, but not for the silver, because the silver was a little bit risky today. And that was because, yeah, I mentioned today also the trade signals, of course, in our Discord. And we took the gold price here was exactly our target that we saw in the video. But the silver, I had a buy limit there. That's because the silver is a little bit weird in the last move here. Okay, I don't trust it so much. I don't see yet that it can be pushing really towards the upside without 0.38, and that's why I asked, of course, for today to just to put it aside for today, because I don't see it like matching with the gold, guys. That is no impulse. This is a problem. Okay, there is no impulse wave 3. Now, there is a diagonal. Of course, it can be a diagonal, but if it is a diagonal, okay, it's a wave 1, then give me the wave 2, you know? So that is the thing. So I'm a little bit hesitating with the silver, so be careful with it because it might still be this, okay? Before we push towards the upside. Now, the gold, we got it, but basically I'm also a little bit scared with it. Not really scared because it's just like, I mean, silver can push downward. Now, for us, of course, what we do, guys, also take it as a tip here. Always lock your profit. Yeah. So this is always when we enter in profit in a trade, we lock it, meaning we put the stop loss above the entry level. In that way, in case of a reversal, we don't get into losses. So that is a tip for you also, guys. Of course, no financial advice. You do whatever you want. It's just an educative tip here. So basically, if this happens, like let's say the gold is going to follow the silver, yeah, with the same pattern like that. So we are safe, of course, that we go out at least without losses. But if we continue toward the upside with the gold or with the silver, then okay, we're continuing simply an impulse upward. Now, what it can be here, well, that's very interesting for the silver. What it can be if we really push for higher here without taking the 0.38. You know what it can be here, guys? It can be something very, very massive. What I mean by that is that this might be only a 1 2 here, and here where you took the 0.38 for this move there, meaning it's a formation of a 1 2, and then this leading diagonal is another wave 1 and a wave 2, and then you have also another 1 2 there. I know it's a lot of 1 2s, and that's why I don't trust it, and that's why I keep it aside to see what the price is going to do. Because, of course, the probability start to get very low there. But if this happens and we took the high here, I have no other option. I'm just preparing you guys psychologically that if this happened, there is no other way to explain it, pushing very high from this level without the 0.38 taken as a 1 2. Yeah, definitely we are in several 1 2s here, kind of like a big 1 2 and another 1 2, and then 3 4 5 4 5. Because if you measure here the fib level for this wave 2, you will realize that, okay, we took even below the 0.38. We took almost the perfect fib levels. So this is what it might happen, okay? But because the pattern here is untrustable, that's why I'm, raising a little bit here a warning, okay? So be careful with the silver. This is regarding the gold and the silver, guys. So the gold is also looking for higher. Definitely here, we're looking for the blue zone. Our target is a 4K here, a 500. Very likely to take it as a large ABC, by the way, A, B, and a C here. And then we'll see. We'll take it from there, and we'll see what's gonna happen over there, guys. Now for Palladium as well, we are looking at this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, very likely to be unfolding towards the 1.618, where we have surpassed here the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level decisively, and corrective wave has unfolded as, of course, a signal of strength that we're pushing toward the upside continuously. So expect the 1,300 for the Palladium. That was it for the metals, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.